Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check for your user ID of Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to check for that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application, you just simply have to tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap there, and after tapping into there you will get to see your profile into top. Now you will get to see the UID directly, but if you want to see it into the full page, you just simply have to open your profile, and after that you will get this section of profile where you will get to see UID, means user ID, at very first, and you can copy it just by tapping into user ID. This way you can very easily check your user ID into Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.